ABC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the good news is sunshine in the forecast, and not just 1 or 2 days. I think we have 4 days ahead, or the better part of 4 days before the clouds return next weekend. Temperature is still a little bit below normal, especially at night, but this is going to be a nice pattern. Warm enough during the day where it's just comfortable in the house, and at night, you probably won't need the heater. You probably get by on some of the heating from the daytime sunshine that we are expecting over the next several days. So let's take a look at the big picture as we look across the lower 48 and a relatively quiet pattern right now. No really big high-end systems for right now. We go up where there is a major disaster, a flood disaster going on across portions of Nebraska into Iowa. All the green here, these are all rivers that are in flood stage or well above flood stage. Some of them above record flood levels, more than 10 feet above normal in some locations. So above flood records. And then you can see all the green. All this water up here gets into the Missouri. That connects to the Mississippi. Then you have all the water from Wisconsin, Iowa, and Illinois. That gets into the Mississippi. And then you have the Ohio River here in flood stage. That gets into the Mississippi. So all this water is going to be working its way southward into Louisiana with time. So keep that in mind. We have flood warnings going right now, but the flood levels have leveled off for the most part across the area and beginning to fall, but we have plenty of bumps on the way down the line. Meanwhile, high clouds beginning to clear out. They'll come back in as we head through tomorrow morning. Those high clouds will dull the sunshine just a little bit. Temperatures still get into the 40s. And then as we go throughout the day, more sun in the afternoon. So do not fret if you see the clouds in the morning. It's not going to be the same old pattern. We expect mostly sunny skies, and that's going to continue into Wednesday as well. We have another frontal boundary on the way going into Wednesday. A very quiet day Wednesday, very light winds out there. The pollen's going to be flying, we know that. And here comes that secondary front that's just going to reinforce the cool, dry air across the region. So temperatures upper 60s to lower 70s, overnight lows mostly in the 40s. Zipping through the European model, take a look at our next weather system. We are good through Friday with mostly sunny skies here. And then the next weather system developing across Texas and Oklahoma, perhaps a severe weather threat off to the north of us. Clouds come in for Saturday, very slight rain chances Saturday, maybe a slightly better chance of a passing shower Sunday. Then we go into Monday, this area of low pressure will be building, and that'll bring more rain into areas that don't need any rain. So that's what we will be watching in the weeks ahead, especially for the local rivers that, by the way, also feed into the Atchafalaya. And then going into the middle part of next week, look at this, another couple of days of some pretty nice weather. Temperatures a little bit cooler than normal with time, but overall a good looking pattern and a significant pattern change from what we've seen over the last 8 to 10 weeks for the most part. Temperatures mid 40s for tomorrow morning. Northern parishes of Acadiana mid to upper 40s along the I-10 corridor, much the same across the coastal parishes. And then as we head into your afternoon tomorrow, we should get into the upper 60s, might touch 70 in a few spots, and again it's going to feel a lot warmer. We got up to 67 today, but with the sun certainly feeling a lot warmer than what we felt today. Low to mid 40s tomorrow night, so still chilly at night, and upper 60s to near 70 again as we head into our Wednesday. So another cool night, those high clouds thinning overall. Might see a little ring around the moon out there, almost a full moon, a couple of days away from that. 48 the low in Lafayette, and then tomorrow mostly sunny day, maybe early clouds, but it's going to feel a lot better, and again it's going to feel warmer with that sun out there. 69 the high, 70 for Wednesday, 71 for Thursday. Let's bottle this up. Spring officially gets here on the calendar Wednesday afternoon, and Mother Nature cooperating with nice weather through Friday. Clouding up for the weekend, few showers, maybe some thunderstorms as we get into Monday, but not concerned about flooding nor severe weather locally at this point. And then some more good weather as we go into the middle part of next week. So
can we say
nice
finally?
Finally a break. It's been, you know, we've had that subtropical jet stream overhead, which is an El Nino enhanced type thing. But strangely enough, usually you're wetter than normal, and locally we are less than 50% of normal rainfall wise since the beginning of the year. So, and you know, one day we make up that rainfall deficit.
Yeah,
but,
just for that one day.
But it has been on the dry side, and that's probably hurt that crawfish season a little bit as well. But at least it will be nice coming up.
Yeah,
in the days
we'll take
ahead.
that for sure.
We will. Thank
Thanks,
you,
Rob.
Rob.